Come closer, diabetic swallow lovers. In my last video, I promised to give you another recipe for keto swallow. Today, I will share with you how to make Keto Amala swallow without psyllium husk. Come with me. So the first ingredient you need is garden eggs. You can use the green one if you want, but this time I am going to use the white garden eggs cut into pieces, add a little water and then blend. I took half of the blended one because I am the only one eating this today. So I took a little portion of it, put in the pot, let it cook for a while. Then I added about 2 tablespoonfuls of coconut oil. Remember, we are talking about keto diet, which allows you to eat more fats than carbohydrates. I also added about a tablespoonful of olive oil, which is optional. Mix together. Then I added 2 tablespoonfuls of already blended chia seed. Cook and mix it together until it forms a dough. Allow the mixture to soak the oil properly, and then here you have your Amala Keto swallow. Life is good. Eat better food. Reverse your diabetes naturally. And please subscribe. God bless you.